Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're at 275 Front Street, Unit 3A, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour in the kitchen area, right near the entrance. Countertop and cabinet space, electric stove, refrigerator, deep pantry closet. Off the kitchen, bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. To my left, you get the bathroom, shower, tub, and vanity. We have a second full bedroom here. Also could fit a queen or a king set. You got a spacious living room, big windows for plenty of natural light, high ceilings. I'd like to apply for 275 Front Street, Unit 3A, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. It's Frank, Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.